Hey friends, let's learn to do this easy craft work for school kids. It's made by recycling old carton, ice cream sticks and dried pressed fennel leaves. Take carton pieces and cut them in the shape of huts. Use the serrated part for the roof and the plain side for the walls of the hut. Make the fence using cut-off ice cream sticks. The grass near the hut is also made by carton bits. The trees and grass on the rocks are made using dried and colored fennel leaves, and the clouds and roads were simply painted on. The sky and the grass was done using a toothbrush dipped in color and by spraying fine droplets of color on the paper. Thanks for watching.